This is my 2015 Chrysler 200S build. First things here is the dash kit. You can find this dash kit on Pack Audio or Metra's website. It is the KIT C200 for Pack Audio. Metra, I don't know, but you can look up the model, make, and year, and it'll pull this one up. I installed the Halo 9. The model number is ILX F259. It is the more affordable version from the ILX F309. So here's the gain knob, or as others call it, bass knob. Now there is a few things here that's in our way. You got a pocket, I didn't want to go through that. And you also have the airbag sensors and an airbag as well. You don't want to mess with any of that when you're installing aftermarket equipment. Anything like that could actually take down the safety of the vehicle. Now when it comes to mounting the bass knob, I don't like to use adhesives to stick it. You know, if I can get the customer to agree on mounting it, this is what I recommend. It makes it look factory clean. You don't have a blue light beaming in your eyes, especially at night when you're driving. So here's the process I use to get it installed into the kick panel. In this build, I installed 4 Focal Utopias. To me, they are the top of the line speakers for aftermarket car audio. Now, on a professional standpoint, when you're doing an install like this, doesn't matter the expense of the speakers. It could be cheap, it could be expensive, it could be affordable. However, when mounting the speakers, the best and proper way to do it would be using a speaker adapter. A website like Pack Audio or Metra sells these. Now if they don't have one, in a shop like mine I have a table router. I would create and make the adapter, which I did here, out of 3/4 inch ABS plastic. I also added Fastrings to the doors. Just helps with the sound, gives it better sound deadening. And what the top fastring is for is to push the sound out of the door instead of letting it rattle around in the door panel. So with that same ABS plastic that I used to make the speaker adapters, I also used that to make my amplifier mount on both the rear seats. One was a 4-channel amplifier, Alpine, and one was a 2-channel amplifier from Alpine. See, if you liked the video or like the install, please leave your comments, subscribe, like the video, dislike it. Thank you.